All right, so I'm bringing my friend in Harley Center with Certified Pest Control. We're gonna walk around my house and talk about what to look for with bugs this spring. I've always wanted to know, I can go buy a $10 can of something at the store. Do I need to use you guys when I can go buy my own stuff? Like, what's the pro of having?
So there's certain instances where, yeah, I mean, you can buy the stuff yourself and there's no reason to call me because, you know, it's something simple. But if you have an ant problem, all the stuff that you can buy at the store, it kills the ants that you see, but it does not kill the ants that you don't see. They don't really make, it's called a residual, so that's how long the chemical lasts.
Okay.
You know, the stuff I spray lasts about 90 days, sprayed on the foundation and all the doors and windows and stuff. That's why we do a quarterly service.
Sure.
Now, having ants will lead to more problems because that's more food for spiders. So the more ants you have, the more spiders you're likely to have.
So basically, it starts with ants a lot of times.
Yeah.
And then if you have an ant problem, you have other problems too.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Ants will bring in other stuff. So if you've got any kind of like water leaks down here, something like that, that'll attract them towards your house. Then they'll come inside looking for more water. If you've got water leaks on the inside of your house, in your kitchen, anything like that, in your bathrooms, that's why they're in bathrooms a lot.
Right.
Because water gets splashed around.
Yeah, so I was curious, like when you talk about stronger chemicals, is she gonna be okay?
Yeah, so everything we use, as long as we apply it correctly, is safe for all animals, people, things like that. That's why we have to have licenses to get the certain things that we use.
Don't judge me on how dirty my garage is.
With garages and closets, things like that, anywhere where you've got a bunch of stuff, you know, that's a bunch of hiding places for spiders, ants, roaches, things like that. Another thing that happens in garages is silverfish infestations. They love cardboard and they love kind of damp places, so, or humid places rather. So that's all the time an issue in garages. So with all the bugs we got coming up for the spring, if you want treatment at your house, you'd be looking at $50 for the first treatment, and then it's $75 every 3 months after that. If you have problems in between treatments, we'll come back out totally for free and take care of those for you. And yeah, should keep all the bugs out of your house.
Give these guys a shot.